Hi, everyone. Welcome to Huru Apps podcast number 5. This is the last segment of the podcast, and I'm going to talk about AOAO Batch Renamer. This is a nice program that will allow you to rename multiple files at once. Let's say you have, you've just coming back from a photo shoot and you have tons of pictures, and let's say you have a Canon camera. It will all be named Canon 123A, whatever. And then you want to be, instead of renaming all the pictures manually one by one, this is the tool. Like it'll say, let's say, Christmas Vacation 2010 and -1, -2, -3. So it will rename all your pics at once or your documents. Let's see how it works. This is a free tool. You can go on my website and just type in file renamer in the search field or type AOAO. And we'll give you the link for the program. You just download it, install it, and once it's installed, the interface is really simple. There's really nothing much to it. Let's just talk about the interface a little bit. At the top, there's 2 radio buttons. One says serial number, and the one's of digit, and the bottom one says serial number of alphabet. So these are buttons if you want your sequence of pictures to be numbers or letters. The second is the name pattern. This is where you're going to type what you want your picture name to be. The extension pattern box is if, let's say, you want to change the extension from a TXT, let's say, to a doc or a JPEG to a BMP. It will do it. And at the bottom here, there's a change box that you can, if you want to change all the names to capital or lowercase, you can certainly do this. And the bottom, the big section, is to add all your files, like the files that are going to be changed. So I'm going to click on the add button at the bottom, and it will take me to my folder where I created all the files for this exercise. So select all the files you want and click open, and it will bring them in your work area. Now you have 2 views. On the left it says old name, and the middle tab says the new name, what it's going to look like. So depending on what you put in the pattern section, obviously the new name is going to change. So I'm just going to show you here. As I'm typing, you can see that the new name just changed. So my file 0.txt, which is the old one, was changed to Thursday.txt. But if you look, all the files below are all named the same, Thursday.txt. So that doesn't work. What you need to do is next to your name in the name pattern, just add a number sign. And depending on what you picked, if you want an alphabet or a digit, it will show Thursday 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. If I click on the other radio button, it changes from A to B. So, also what you can do, you can change the extension. Let's try to change the pattern from a text to a doc. I'm going to put DOC. Now I'm going to show you the folder where the files are right here. So it's going to be called thursday.a.doc. So that's going to be the new name. So I'm going to click run. Now it says it's been done, and if you look, the name's been changed, and the file will open and will be exactly the same. So this is a good tool. It will save you a lot of time, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next week.